Experience the power of RYOBI 40V outdoor power equipment. All the power without the frustration of gas. Start with just the push of a button and tackle the toughest task with no hassle, no maintenance, no gas, and less noise. Built by the #1 cordless lawn and garden brand, experience products engineered to conquer your lawn from spring prep through fall cleanup. RYOBI 40V lithium batteries provide reliable, consistent power with the versatility you need for everything from string trimmers to pressure washers. RYOBI 40V products combine premium features with the performance of gas, delivering superior power to cut down, trim back, clean out, and tear up every job all year long. The RYOBI 40V system, exclusively at the Home Depot.